Hey everyone, welcome to Speak Like a Native. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. And Maya, I have to tell you something, honestly.
Oh, really? What is it?
I've been saying the word hold my whole life, and I think I've been using it wrong.
Leo, you are not alone. This is one of the most common mistakes I hear from learners all over the world. And today we are going to fix that for good.
Yes, because I want to sound natural, not like a textbook.
Exactly. And today we are going to focus on three powerful phrases with hold that will instantly make your English more natural. Ready for number one?
Ready? Hit me.
Number one, hold on.
Okay, I know this one. Hold on means wait, right?
Yes, but it's not that simple. Let me ask you something. Imagine you are at a Starbucks counter. The barista is making your coffee. Your friend starts talking to you. What do you say?
Wait, I need to get my coffee?
Close. But a native speaker would say, hold on. Just two words. Hold on. Let me grab my drink.
Hold on. That's shorter.
Way shorter and way more natural. Now, here's the interesting part. Hold on can also mean wait for me in a different way. Imagine you are walking with a friend and you stop to tie your shoe. What do you say?
Wait for me?
You could say that. But hold on sounds more like a real person. Hey, hold on, I need to tie my shoe.
So, hold on is for small pauses, quick moments.
Exactly. Not for long waits. You wouldn't say hold on if you're waiting for a bus for 20 minutes. That sounds strange. Hold on is for short, immediate moments, like waiting 5 seconds, 10 seconds, maybe 30 seconds.
Okay, that makes sense. So, hold on is for small pauses in conversation or while walking together.
Perfect. Now, here's the mistake I hear from Spanish speakers, especially. They say hold me instead of hold on.
Oh, wait, really? Hold me?
Yes, because in Spanish, esperme means wait for me. So the direct translation becomes hold me. But hold me means something very different. Exactly. Hold me close, hold me tight. That's not what you want to say when you're tying your shoe.
Oh, that's a big difference. So, I need to say hold on, not hold me.
Right. And for Chinese speakers, the mistake is different. In Chinese, the word for wait is deng yi xia, and learners often translate this as wait a moment, every single time. But native speakers don't say wait a moment in casual conversation, they say hold on.
So, hold on is the casual, friendly version of wait.
Exactly. And this is important for sounding natural. Wait can sound a little impatient. Hold on sounds friendly. It sounds like you're asking someone to pause with you, not commanding them to stop.
Okay, I'm gonna start using hold on today. What's the second phrase? Okay, hold back. I think I've heard this. Does it mean to stop yourself from doing something?
Exactly. Hold back means to control yourself, to stop yourself from saying or doing something. Imagine you are in a meeting and your boss says something that you completely disagree with.
Oh, that's happened to me.
What do you want to do?
I want to say, that's wrong, boss. That's a terrible idea.
And that would get you fired. So, what do you do instead?
I hold back.
Yes, you hold back. You keep your opinion to yourself. You don't say it. That is holding back.
So, hold back is like emotional control.
Yes, but it's not just about negative emotions. You can also hold back tears, hold back laughter, hold back your excitement. Let me give you another example. Imagine you're at a wedding. The groom is about to see the bride for the first time. He starts crying,
Oh, that's sweet.
but he tries to stop crying because he doesn't want to look silly. What is he doing?
He's holding back his tears.
Exactly. Now, here's a mistake I hear from Arabic speakers. In Arabic, the structure is sometimes reversed. Learners might say I back hold instead of hold back, because in some Arabic dialects, the verb and particle order is different.
Oh, that's a common problem with phrasal verbs. The order matters so much.
Yes, hold back is fixed. You cannot say back hold. The hold comes first, always. And here's another interesting thing. Hold back can also be used in a different way. If someone has a lot of potential but they're not using it, you can say they are holding themselves back.
Oh, I like that. So it's like self-limitation.
Exactly. For example, Leo, you speak English well, but your fear of making mistakes is holding you back. But today, we're going to fix that. Because by the end of this episode, you will have 3 new phrases in your pocket.
Okay, I'm ready for number 3. What is it?
Number 3 is hold up, and this one has multiple meanings.
Okay, tell me the first one.
The first one is similar to hold on. It can mean wait or stop, but with a different feeling.
Different how?
Hold up is more like stop what you're doing because something is wrong or surprising. Imagine someone tells you something shocking. Your friend says, I'm moving to Japan next week. You say, hold up. What? You're moving? I thought you just got a new job here.
So hold up is like, wait, I need to process this.
Exactly. It's a way to interrupt politely. Hold up, did you just say that?
That's useful. Because sometimes I hear surprising news and I don't know what to say.
And hold up also has another meaning. It can mean to delay. For example, why are you late? Sorry, I got held up in traffic.
Oh, I've heard that. I got held up.
Yes, hold up means the traffic delayed you. You didn't choose to stop. Something forced you to stop.
So hold on is a choice. Hold up can be forced.
That's a great way to think about it. Hold on is something you say to someone. Hold up can be something that happens to you.
Okay, so let me practice. I was walking to work, but I got held up by a parade. And if my friend says something crazy, I say, hold up what?
Yes. Now let me tell you about a common mistake with hold up. Some learners use hold up when they mean hold on. For example, you're on the phone and you say, hold up, let me get a pen. That's not wrong exactly, but it sounds a little more dramatic than hold on.
So hold on is softer, more casual.
Right. Hold on is for everyday small pauses. Hold up is for bigger moments of surprise or interruption. Of course, that's the best way to learn. Let's do a role play. I will be you, and you will be the person who needs to use these phrases.
Okay, I'm ready.
Scenario 1. We're walking to a coffee shop. I stop to look at my phone. What do you say? Good start. But remember, I'm the one who stopped, so you should say, hold on, Maya, I need to look at this.
Right. Hold on, Maya. Give me a second. I hold back.
Exactly. You hold back the story. Or you could say to yourself, I'm going to hold back on that story for now. Now, scenario 3. Your coworker tells you she is quitting her job to become a professional dog trainer.
Wait, really? Hold up. You're quitting? What about our project? Okay, I'm feeling more confident now. But Maya, I want to ask you about something. What about the word hold by itself? Like without on, back, or up?
Great question. Hold by itself is also useful, but it has a more physical meaning. It means to carry or grip something. Can you hold my bag? Or hold the door.
So hold is physical. Hold on, hold back, hold up are phrasal verbs with different meanings.
Yes, and this is where many learners get confused, because each phrasal verb has its own personality. Hold on is friendly and patient. Hold back is emotional control. Hold up is surprise or delay.
That's helpful. So I should think of them as separate words, not just hold plus a preposition.
Exactly. That's the key to mastering phrasal verbs. They are their own words. Each one has its own meaning, its own feeling, its own situation.
I have a confession, Maya.
Oh, what is it?
Before this episode, I thought hold on and hold up were the same thing. So if I'm on the phone with a friend and I need to grab my coffee, I say hold on.
Right. But if I say something that shocks you, you say hold up.
Yes, please.
Think of the literal meaning. Hold on means to hold on to something, like a handle. It's gentle, you're staying connected. Hold up means to lift something up or stop it from falling, so it's more active, more sudden. That's a beautiful way to put it. Now, let's go back to the mistake we talked about earlier. Hold me.
Right. Hold me is not the same as hold on.
No. Hold me means physically hug me or touch me. Very different. So if you're in a crowded subway and you say hold me instead of hold on, people will think you want a hug. Very awkward. Now, for my Japanese learners, there is another common mistake. In Japanese, chadomat means wait a little, but learners often translate this as a little hold on or small hold. They add words that aren't needed.
So just hold on, not please. Hold on a little.
Right. Hold on is complete by itself. You don't need to add a little or small, just hold on. Or if you want to be more polite, hold on, please.
Simple. I like it.
Now, let's talk about cultural context. In American culture, hold on is very common in customer service. A cashier might say, hold on 1 second while they check something. This is friendly and normal.
What about hold back? Is that common in American culture?
Very common, especially when talking about emotions. Americans are often encouraged to express their feelings, so holding back is something we talk about a lot.
Interesting. So in some cultures, holding back emotions is polite. In American culture, it's sometimes seen as not being authentic. Okay, I have a challenge for you, Maya.
I love challenges. What is it?
Can you give me one sentence that uses all three phrases?
Oh, that is a challenge. Let me think. Okay, hold on. Let me finish this call. I'm trying not to hold back my frustration about the traffic that held me up this morning. And that sentence sounds completely natural. A native speaker would say that without thinking.
Okay, I want to try. Let me think. Hold on. I need to grab my keys. And I need to hold back my excitement about our trip even though the weather might hold us up. Really? I got it right?
Yes, the weather might hold us up means the weather might delay us. That's perfect usage. That's because you practiced. And that's the key. You can't just listen to a podcast and expect to remember everything. You have to practice.
So, here's what I'm going to do. Today, I'm going to use hold on at least 3 times. When I'm at the grocery store, when I'm talking to my friend, when I need a moment, one at a time. I like that.
Now, let me give you a homework assignment. I want you to think of a situation where you would naturally use each phrase. Write them down. Say them out loud.
Okay, I'm ready. For hold on, I'll use it when I'm walking with my roommate and I need to grab my water bottle, when I'm watching a funny video in a quiet library and I need to hold back my laughter, when my friend tells me something shocking. Hold up, you won that game? No way.
You got it. All 3 are perfect.
Maya, I have to say, this is one of my favorite episodes because I feel like I actually learned something I can use today.
That's the goal. Real English for real life, not textbook English that you forget in 5 minutes.
So, to summarize, hold on is for small pauses, hold back is for controlling yourself, and hold up is for surprise or being delayed.
Perfect summary. And one more thing. If you're ever confused, just remember this. Hold on is friendly waiting. Hold back is emotional control. Hold up is dramatic interruption or delay. Yes. And they will change the way you speak English.
Before we go, I want to say something to the listeners.
Go ahead. That's beautiful, Leo. And I want to add something. The number one thing that holds learners back is fear. Fear of sounding silly, fear of making mistakes. But today you learned 3 phrases that will help you sound more natural. So go out there and use them.
And if you make a mistake, no problem. Just say, hold on, let me try again.
And leave us a comment telling us which hold phrase you use the most. We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
Thanks for listening to Speak Like a Native.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.